Okay, so we come here for vegetarian restaurant. We come to eat over here, this vegetarian restaurant. I'm not vegetarian, I'm ghostarian. But my friend is vegetarian, so that's why we came here.
Otherwise, come out motorbike.
Okay, so park here. Look at this beautiful Chinese style vegetarian restaurant. So lovely. So this restaurant is vegetarian but fully Chinese style. So it's too fancy and too good. लाखों की तादाद सुनी थी खाते हैं, आज लाखों का खाएं. Finally we got our hot pot. Let's see. Look at that. Oh, finally we got our hot pot. This is vegetarian meat, not pork or anything. And here is our soup already with tofu. Hi, thank you. So they give so much mushroom. And here is our hot pot. Artificial meat. Okay, our artificial meat go inside already. Chef, can you bring it to me? With mushroom, all? Okay. And so it looks like it's ready. So let's try. This is artificial meat. I think it's still getting cooked. Let's get this soup. Oh my goodness. ओके सो अभी मैंने जितने का खाया है आपकी सुन के फट जाएगी. मेरा बिल आ गया है 5,45,000. 5,45,000 का मैंने क्या खाया होगा इतने से खाने का. 5,45,000. माय गॉड, 25K. I got this ice cream 25,000. But dong is equal to, I think, not more than 35 baht only. Let's try. Oh, look that melt. I think I need to go to pool. Or maybe let's explore first.